Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about an all-blue endemic flycatcher in Sri Lanka. The dull blue flycatcher. Unfortunately, it is listed as near threatened. The Sri Lanka dull blue flycatcher is a small passerine bird in the flycatcher family. This species is an endemic resident breeder in the hills of central Sri Lanka. Largely all-blue flycatcher with blue becoming intense on the forehead. Also note black face and pale grayish belly. The dull blue flycatcher breeds in deciduous mountain forest in its not common below 900 meters. The main breeding season is in March and April, but a second brood reared later in the year. This is relatively easy bird to see. Despite its forest habitat, it feeds mainly on flying insects, beetles, caterpillars and other insects, but also eats berries. Their calls are like It also has the distinct honor of being featured on the 50 rupee Sri Lanka note. It is also featured in the 2 rupee stamp in Sri Lanka. Locally named Sri Lanka Neelan Masimara. I have not seen the dull blue flycatcher. One such place you can see them is Horton Plains National Park. At Horton Plains National Park, there are 3 main attractions. First, the 9-kilometer walk to amazing nature and some rough terrain. Secondly, you see what is called the World's End. And finally, you see the Baker's Falls. It is an amazing adventure to experience.